Hi, hello everybody, welcome to Diecast Analyst. Today I'll be unboxing the first 3 screws of the famous Rexy Mini GT. So the 3 screws that are going to be opened is this one, and this one. And I am using this Photronics Bitbox 24-in-1 screwdriver kit, and I am using this particular version, which says that it has a code on each livery. You will be able to see the code. If you're not able to see the code, I'll read it out. It says PHO or PH0. That's the one that I'm using, and it just fits in with the magnet attachment. So yeah, hopefully perfect car with a broken headlamp and it's being unscrewed. This is my first screw which I am taking out from the Mini GT. So it has magnetic effect, so you will see the screw falling in like this. Just placing it accordingly so that I don't miss on the threads. This is at the bottom, which means it's a bottom screw. Now next, the mirrors are very delicate. I mean, to hold this car is one of a task, but yeah, removing one at a time. It's pretty easy once it comes off. So you see, this is the front left version, the screw, placing it at the left, and then next comes the right version. So yeah, the right version. So 3 screws placed accordingly. Now comes the main section. This is the underbody of the Porsche 911 GT3. Pretty decent. Doesn't impact anything. It's a metal. It is a metal. You see this fender. Fender is part of the body. You see the fender is part of the body, the bottom fender, and wheels came off though. Yeah, this is how the wheels are usually placed, just 2 wheels, so I place it accordingly. This is the back wheel and this is the front wheel. I have aligned it in that manner so that I place them back properly. This is the cabin with the seats and steering wheel with cabin drawers, and yeah, I'll come back to this one. It has decent, I mean some interesting stuffs here. I'll come back to this one. So this is the body of a Rexy mini GT Rexy. So there is one more part, but I'm not very sure. Two parts actually. One is the front black fender. It has two dots over here. I'll take the screwdriver. It has two dots over here, and then here. So I think it's just a plastic livery. I'm trying to push it. I'm not sure if it will come out. I don't think so it will come out. I don't want to break it. So it's pretty neatly tapped in. So this part is one more part, and then this part that we see over here inside, which is the boot of this car. The engine is at the back side, so this becomes the boot. So yeah, this particular part. The headlamps are integrated inside the chassis, and I mean the body itself. So these again are molten plastic with the transparent ABS material glass. The windshield is again a plastic ABS model. The side windows and the number 88 is again the plastic. The back windshield is plastic, and the same goes with this side as well. Don't see anything at the back, so if I show you, it's just a model that comes in. It's like a mold. Oh, the fenders or the main spoiler of the GT3 R raw that you see is tucked in between two dots. Like you see this one and then this one. This is nicely placed, and I think they use the industry glue to tuck in it nicely. I mean, all of these are used with industrial glue itself. Nothing comes apart so easily, but I was a little unlucky that this particular light came off, and then I thought I should make a video of it explaining the components. So yeah, this is a spoiler tucked in. There is one plastic fender on the front that's tucked in. These are again, these don't have any attachments inside, which means they are super glued. Be very careful with these sides. I mean the smaller ones that you see. Okay, I'm interrupting the light. The smaller ones that you see, just be very sure that you don't damage them, because it's damaged, it's gone. It's not like you can fix it. I mean any part in that case. These are hard rubber. The mirrors that you see are the hard rubber. So yeah, it's a very decent casting. It's just that the paint is really very nice on this one. And then coming to the body part, seems like this is the roll